Hey guys, welcome back to Ledford. My name is Chris Ledford. I'm a certified personal trainer with the National Academy of Sports Medicine, and along with my wife Serein Wu, certified nutritionist through Precision Nutrition, we make videos to help you live a happy and healthy lifestyle. So since we're all still quarantined and you're trying to get fit and stay fit while you're in the house, you're probably not just watching this channel, you're probably watching other channels on YouTube that ask you to do some sort of workout. Now, a lot of those channels are going to have you do some sort of jumping exercise. And if you live in an apartment or if you have someone beneath you, it's probably not the most considerate thing to do to be jumping around while you're trying to get your workout in. So what I thought I would do is I thought I would give you guys some modifications that you can do when being asked to do those jumping exercises, and you can do these modifications instead of actually jumping around. So here's 5. Without further ado, let's get into it.
It started out like a movie scene, something straight out of a magazine. I crossed my fingers you'd come to me, then all of a sudden it became reality. Don't care about no gold, no one else to hit my phone up. None of that pretentious life. No, 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 don't need no pills to get high. There's no doubt in my mind, your love, it is all that I need. Now I'm on my feet, I'm dancing to the pounding of your heartbeat. Your eyes sing the sweetest melody. Don't care about no gold, no one else to hit my phone up. None of that pretentious life. No, 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 don't need no pills to get high. There's no doubt in my mind, your love, it is all that I need. Oh.
Okay guys, there you go. There's 5 different exercises that require jumping that I've modified for you, and now they don't require any jumping. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the subscribe button. Please check back in with us every Wednesday and every Sunday. Come say hi on Instagram. If you guys are in the LA area and you want to do some personal training, shoot me an email, bodybyledford@gmail.com. I would love to help. If you're not in the LA area, I can still work with you via Zoom, via Skype. There's all kinds of different ways we can work together. So shoot me an email. Let's get this thing going. Let's get you fit. I can help. bodybyledford@gmail.com. Talk to you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.